a pretty girl, you might struggle with this. This isn't a therapist point of view. I have to explain this to my clients because they don't get it. But I'll have a gorgeous client come in, like a 10, and she'll be like, why is this? I'm like, sweetie, it's because of how you look. And so I have to break it down for them. Then I also have to like teach them how to be more cautious and then how to handle themselves because of what they look like. There's a whole shift in it. So if you're constantly complimented on your looks, there are higher risks for you, okay? In work, in school, in religion, and whatever you do, people are anxiously waiting to see you fail, okay? They want to see you fail and then spread it like wildfire. It really helps soothe their ego. They really want to know that you're not perfect. You might have had trouble having really good friends, or you feel isolated, lonely, because it's really hard to find women who are not in competition. Even your looks, and you could be the best person on the inside, but your looks could just trigger someone of their insecurity. You're a constant reminder for them. Also, a lot of women, if they see you as a threat, they're going to try to drag you to be extremely close to them because they want to be you. And some weird shiz happens. It's really weird. So psychologists say this, and it's so true. You are very polarizing. There's no neutral. So for women, some women might see you and be like inspired and look up to you and want to be your friend. And then other women might look at you and hate your guts, look for gossip, look for all the wrong things. And then for men, they might see you and be excited to talk to you, want to take you out. And then the other side of men is they're insecure and they think that you're just going to reject them. So they're just going to hate you first. I find that women who are known for their looks have to do double the work to prove that they're smart, to prove that they're a good worker. I find it's just really interesting. Also, people might think that you earn things because of the way you look. And that is so degrading and annoying of like, nope, I worked my butt off for this. But it could be true that you did get someone because of your looks, and that's called pretty privilege. But again, you just have to work a lot harder. Also, a side note, I find a lot of women who are extremely beautiful have very beautiful friends who are extremely successful. And that's the only way they can have really good friends, is if they're at the same level, if not more. There is just no escaping that people are going to talk about you, and you need to like accept that and let that sink in. And in doing that, you will become the most successful version of yourself. Once you kind of embrace all the good and negative sides to you, you just kind of learn to be yourself, and you can succeed a lot more when you embrace being beautiful, embrace being pretty, and not see it as a bad thing. And of course, it's not a bad thing to be pretty, but there are just pros and cons to everything. Let me know what you guys think and what you have experienced. But sorry, this is kind of a negative video, but these are just some things that I feel like I had to explain to my clients.